Hello everyone, this is Revati for Kat Scrappiness. Today I'm introducing a beautiful and totally gorgeous and detailed cover die. It's called Pawsome Love Backdrop Die by Kat Scrappiness. This would be perfect for all your cute fur baby cards. This is now available for purchase on the Kat Scrappiness website. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. Let's take a look at this Pawsome Love Backdrop die. Here you see a beautifully detailed cover plate die with intricate stitched paws and hearts all over the die. This die measures 5.5 by 4 1/4 inches, which would be perfect for your A2 size card fronts. I have an example here where I have used a 100-pound white cardstock to cut out this gorgeous backdrop. If you take a closer look, you will see not just the stitched detailing on the hearts and the paws, but also this die gives you a stitched border for your card fronts. It does not cut the hearts and paws completely though. It leaves those perfect stitched marks on your card panel. Here are a couple of cards where I use the Pawsome Love Backdrop die to create a beautiful textured backdrop for my fur baby cards. The first card here shows that you can easily stamp your sentiments on that stitched background. I used black pigmenting and embossing powder for my sentiment and then added some of that pink color all around the sentiment. The fine stitch detailing on this die allows you to stamp even the finest sentiment that you have in your stash. For my second card, I used the Pawsome Love Backdrop die to create a fun scene for my sleepy pup. I used a cloud stencil all over the entire die cut background. This is a very easy technique to do and also adds so much texture to my card front. This cover plate die, it's such an adorable die that adds such a beautiful texture to our cards. Keep it plain white or add some pop of color with some colored cardstock or some ink blending to create a beautiful card front. All of the embellishments and the pattern papers and the die cut pieces are all by Kat Scrappiness. For more information on all of these products and to purchase them, you can visit the link in the description box below. Until next time, stay safe.